How to replace the tail light bulb in your Chevy Impala. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley.
Alright, so going inside the trunk, we'll see a couple of the push pins that need to come out, and then I'll unhook the cargo nut as well. And we just need to pull this carpeted lining forward so we can get to the tail light. All right, with it pulled forward, go in here. Right here, this needs to come out. I'm just going to twist it counterclockwise and remove it. There, now you just need to pull out the bulb. And this is what we need to replace. The factory bulb that I removed from the Impala is E2217. Cross reference for that is going to be a 7443. So this is what I'm going to install to replace this burned out bulb. I'm going to turn the hazards on to test it before I screw it back in. And there we go. So let me get it installed. Just turn it clockwise to lock it in. And there we go. And this job is done. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.